So you want to add new Shopify orders to Salesforce as leads. But do you really have the time to do this every time you get a new order? That's where Automate.io comes in. It's a simple tool to connect your favorite web apps. To begin, go to this page. Click on this box and click on the Try Now button. Now you will see the Add Account screen. Here you will add your Salesforce and Shopify accounts to Automate.io. Authorize these apps by clicking on the Add button and entering your credentials. And don't worry, we keep your data secure. After successfully authenticating your apps, you will land on the Configure page. On this page, you will configure the specific data that you want to transfer from Shopify to Salesforce. Let's first focus on Shopify, which is our trigger app. It is used to define when your automation should start. You can change these triggers for different use cases. And now, coming to Salesforce, this is our Action app, which defines what action should happen in the workflow. In our case, we want to add new Shopify orders to Salesforce as leads. For this automation to work, you need to fill the right value in the required input fields for Salesforce. These fields are Update if existing. We will select No from the drop-down menu for this example. The next required field is Last Name, which takes the last name of the customer. So we will click on the Add button here and search for Customer Last Name and then select it. And the next required field is Company. Again, click on the plus button and search for Shipping Address Company, like this, and select it. And as you can see, we have already mapped out country, city, first name, and email address data for you. But you can add any data from Shopify that you want. For example, I will add the total price of the order to my description like this. That way, I will have this vital information about my leads included. So once you have all of your fields configured the way that you would like them, to proceed to the next stage, click Done. In this stage, you will test your newly created automation, which we will call a bot. The purpose of this step is to double check whether or not our bot works the way we would like it to. We can do this by either entering sample data or creating a new order in Shopify. I will show you how to test using this second method. And always remember, when you click Save your bot successfully, Automate.io will actually create a new lead in Salesforce when you get a new order in Shopify. Your bot will now run in the background and do all of this work for you. So if you want to try out this automation, click on the link below to get started quickly. Questions? We're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly at help@automate.io. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope this tutorial helps you be more productive.